look what just came in the mail. My first ever order from Grove Collaborative. Okay, get it together, Janice. Actually, my name is Janice, but when I feel fancy, I say Janice. So I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys, but I'm not gonna show my face because my face is not camera ready. Right, Maddie? Yeah. Okay, so let's get into the box. Oh my gosh, guys, look at all that goodies. One thing I will say is that the tray that came with it as a freebie broke. It broke. I was so sad. I was really sad because I really wanted that tray and I really wanted to clean up my kitchen. Guys, so back to what's inside of this box. So for the free item, I got this sponge, and it's just a two-sided sponge. It has the brown, it has the white on this side, and that was free. Next up, we have this towel, and this is the Midnight Navy, and this was free. They were really cute. And then for the free items, this was free with the hand towel, and it's just the Method Sweetwater hand soap. I think this is, yeah, hand wash. So that was free. And then the tray was free, but it came broken, so it's not here. They're gonna send me a new one. This was free, and this is the Mrs. Myers apple cider scent, and I really wanted to get the pumpkin, but the reviews on the pumpkin was not that great, so I went with the apple cider. And I want to place another order sometime, probably next month, for the mums. They have the mums, and I love mums. And then you have the dish soap. So I can't wait to try these, guys. I cannot wait. And then you have the hand soap and the apple cider. So all of that was free, and I'm gonna show you guys in a second a clip of all the free stuff. So this is all the other stuff that I purchased. So I got the vinegar gel no rinse cleanser, and I got this mainly for my stove because I have electric stove, so it's a pain to clean, so I need something more I don't know, I guess I heard good reviews about this, so I wanted to give it a try. And this is in lemon verbena scent. And then the next one up is Mrs. Myers all-purpose spray. Yeah, multi-surface spray, and this is in the honeysuckle. A lot of people said that this scent is really good, and I really wanted to try it, so I got that. And then I got the honeysuckle dish soap. I didn't get the hand wash in that one because I like Bath and Body Works. And then next up is this what is this? The Method Glass and Surface, and this is in, doesn't have a smell or a scent. It's heavy. Ooh, almost broke my table. Yeah, this is just a yeah, it does have a scent. It's waterfall. So that's that. And then I also got the Method heavy duty degreaser for my stove. I want to give that a try. And also I got the Method. I'm a Method girl. I love Method over Mrs. Myers. This one is the Method all-purpose cleaner, and this one is in Honeycrisp apple. So yeah, that's all I got, guys. That is all I got. So these are all, this is all the free stuff that I got. What's wrong? This is all the free stuff. So that's the free stuff. And then this is what I purchased. So I'm gonna go clean my house now.
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for